Hello, this is Gogi from Gogi.in and you're watching the unboxing and review of XOLO Q3000. Here is the box pack. This handset is powered by quad-core processor. We will quickly go through the specifications as mentioned on the box. It is powered by quad-core processor 1.5 GHz MT6589T with PowerVRS GX544 GPU. The screen is 5.7 inches with Full HD resolution IPS display. 2 GB RAM, 16 GB internal storage, 32 GB external SD card support, 13 megapixel rear autofocus camera with BSI sensor, 5 megapixel front camera, full HD video recording and playback is supported. USB is also supported. You can see the list of sensors. 3G is also supported. XOLO Secure and XOLO Power apps come pre-installed. This handset runs on Android 4.2 Jelly Bean and the battery is 4000 mAh capacity. Let's start the unboxing process. Inside the box you'll find this 5.7 inch handset, a free flip cover, nice looking one. This flip cover doesn't come with a back cover. In fact, you need to attach it to the back of the handset using this sticky part. You need to attach it this way. And this is how the handset will look with the flip cover. The flip cover will always be a little out. As you can see here, inside the box you will also find a screen guard, data cable, OTG cable, quick start guide, warranty and legal information, power adapter and earphone. Here is the call button and the mic and a closer view of the earplug. And here is the battery of 4000 mAh capacity. It's a big battery and it needs a huge space inside the handset. Here is the Q3000. It's a big handset. The side view and the rear side. The rear side is black color with matte finish. Here's a closer view. The bottom is a bit curvier as compared to the top. Here is the camera lens which is a little out. 3 touch sensitive buttons and here is the mic. On the top the sensor in call speaker and the 5 megapixel front camera. On the right side there is the power lock button. On the left side you'll find the volume rockers. On the top the micro USB port along with the 3.5mm audio jack. This is the greyish black glossy finish that covers up the camera lens and the speaker out, and a thin layer runs all the way along the side as you can see. On the rear side you'll find the XOLO logo, the 13 megapixel rear autofocus camera with LED flash, the mic and the speaker out. I'm going to remove the factory film and this is how the handset looks. Let's open up the battery compartment. This is a dual SIM handset. You can see the dual SIM slot. Here is the back panel which is of a good quality. A lot of space is allocated for the battery. This is the SIM slot 1 and this is SIM 2. SIM 1 is normal SIM and this is a micro SIM. SIM 2 is micro SIM. Here is the micro SD card slot. The handset weight with battery is 202 grams. Thickness is 9.69 mm. Breadth is 81.66 mm. And the length is over 151 mm. Touch is smooth and responsive. Wi-Fi hotspot, USB and Bluetooth tethering is supported. Here are the storage options. Preferred install location, you can set it to SD card. Here is the internal card storage, 0.97 GB. System is 2.30 GB and the available user space is 12 GB. 0.98 GB allocated for apps. And 12 GB as the internal phone storage. Of the 2 GB RAM, you get around 1.4 GB free. There is built-in GPS with AGPS and EPO support. Make sure you enable EPO. Here is one hand operation. When you enable this option, you get a smaller screen on a bigger screen. It kind of looks funny, but you can operate with one hand. When you're using this option, the system gets a bit slower. To disable this option, you will need to go to settings and one hand operation. You can see there is a bit of lag. Okay, back to normal. Built-in FM radio. I have connected an external pen drive and OTG is supported. System information Cortex A7 clocked at 1.5 GHz. It's quad core with PowerVR SGX 544MP GPU. The hardware is MT6589 Turbo with a screen resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. The screen is 5.7 inches. Here are the sensors: accelerometer, proximity, light, gyro, orientation, magnetic. Well, that's it. The time is 12:41 PM, battery at 83% and the temperature at 31 degrees. Quadrant benchmark score is 5730. Antutu score is 15,438. Wilamo HTML5 1554 Metal 584. Nina Mark II 34.0 FPS. This handset supports 5-point multi-touch. I was running these benchmark applications for around 19 minutes. The battery level dropped by 5% and the temperature rose to 37 degrees. Here is the phone dialer with the video call option. The 13 megapixel rear autofocus camera. Here are the HDR options, the panorama options. The interface is the same. Picture size is 13 megapixel, as you can see. Video, you need to set it to fine to record in full HD resolution. The front camera is of 5 megapixel resolution. I'm recording a video. This video was recorded in 100p resolution at 30 frames per second. Full HD videos play very smoothly in both hardware as well as software mode. The XOLO Q3000 comes with a 5.7-inch screen with a full HD resolution. The viewing angles are pretty good. This handset is powered by 1.5 GHz quad-core MT6589T processor. It runs on Android 4.2 with 2 GB RAM and 16 GB internal storage. There is 13 megapixel rear autofocus camera with LED flash and a front camera of 5 megapixel resolution. The build quality and the finishing is very good. Battery is of 4000 mAh capacity. 3G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and GPS works pretty well. I got a GPS lock in less than 3 seconds. This handset is available for a price of approximately 20,000. It's a good handset with good features. However, octa-cores are now available in the market for around the same price. For full review, sample images and videos, visit my website gogi.in.